if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmare.
For many deportees returning to Jamaica, life can take a devastating turn. Some find themselves homeless, wandering the streets with foreign accents that make it clear they've spent years abroad. In Jamaica, mental illness is often referred to as headship, and sadly, a significant number of deportees seem to experience this after returning. Without family support or resources, many end up living on the streets, relying on the kindness of strangers. However, people are often reluctant to give them anything. The belief is that these deportees wasted their time overseas and failed to establish themselves, so now they must face the consequences. Worse, if someone gives them once, they may become aggressive when turned down in the future. This fear causes many to avoid helping them altogether. To make matters worse, some local authorities allegedly don't want too many homeless people in their parish. As a result, it is said that at night, deportees and other homeless individuals are loaded into trucks and relocated to other parishes, further displacing them and making their situation even more dire. Not all deportees face this fate, though. Some are welcomed back by relatives, usually because they maintained good relationships while abroad. These individuals have a better chance of rebuilding their lives, often securing jobs and reintegrating into society. However, others with no support and no way to survive turn to crime. Some form gangs, while others engage in theft or violence just to get by. The situation remains a tough one. While helping deportees reintegrate could reduce crime and homelessness, many Jamaicans believe they should not receive special treatment, especially when locals are already struggling. The reality is, without proper support, many deportees will continue to face hardship, with some losing their minds, some turning to crime, and only a fortunate few finding a second chance at life.
Really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the